Namaste. My name is Mani Sharma. I am your host at Taj Mahal Indian Cuisine Restaurant. I want to invite you to please visit us and see for yourself what you have been missing all these years. Our food is healthy and balanced. Our food is fresh and no preservatives, no canned food, straight from the garden to the kitchen. No matter how modern we are, we still use our medieval way of cooking. What we do is the pre-marinated vegetables and meat we cook in a tandoor made of yellow clay, especially found in some part of India. The charcoal fire on the bottom makes the food juicy, tender, smoky and healthy. The gravy, which is masala or which is called curry, is a blend of all these different spices. It is beyond description. It is for you to come and see for yourself and enjoy it. I am confident that once you come and visit us and try our food, you will be my regular customer. You will come again and again. I can assure you that. I want to address some of you who had tried or experienced the Indian cuisine in other Indian restaurants and had no chance or opportunity to visit us, Taj Mahal Restaurant in Lancaster. I want to request you to please come and see for yourself how are we different than the rest of the Indian restaurants you have visited. There are so many spices and herbs which we use in the Indian cuisine, such as garlic, ginger, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, coriander, cumin and many others. Here comes Mohan Pradhan, my executive chef, who is very talented and energetic person who has come up with his own blend of these spices. He has created in such a way to make his creation different than the rest of the Indian restaurant. Once you come and see for yourself, you will like to come back again and again. I can assure you, again and again. The Indian classical music, the art and craft, the costume, Indian cuisine, in its totality, I wanted to create awareness about India as a country. We have succeeded in creating a vast majority of regular customers. Over the years, we enjoyed together our birthdays, our anniversaries, New Year's Eve. And I have seen these people coming here and those little children growing up being young boys, young girls. And this is my greatest achievement. I am so very proud that I have been able to create this large fraternity of the people. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you will come back and come again to visit us as Taj Mahal Restaurant. Have a nice day.